Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. This is Joan. Welcome back here in Excel Visual Basic application. Today we're going to do a countdown timer. Yeah, there's this is I'm going to create a basic. Okay, so using the application on timer with interval. And all right, so let's get started. All right, so let's move our mic. Hopefully you can hear us. All right, so I don't know. Hold on a second. I think you can hear me. All right, so let's insert user form and let's insert modules. All right, so let's do a simple design in user form. I think let's drop the text box. Here in text box, let's txt timer or countdown. Then let's do transparent border. Then all right, then let's go to the value or text value. Let's see 5 or 60 minutes, 60 seconds. I mean, let's do 5 first. So all right, 5 for the sake of the recording. Then let's go to the font. Yeah, let's go bold 70. Fair enough. All right, then line center. All right, that's fair enough. Then the next one is we're going to create a start. Let's copy this one. All right, so all right, then let's put this one cmd start. Then yeah, start, stop, the stop, then stop, then this one is reset, cmd reset. All right, so let's go to the module. So we're set now. Let's go to the module. The let's declare a interval state. Then the next thing is create a sub timer. So in this timer, what we're gonna do is hold on per second. Come on. All right. Okay, so let's create first a user form one.txt timer.value equals to user form one.txt timer.value -1. Okay, because we're going to countdown timer, right? For example, we have a 60 seconds, 60, 59. All right. All right, so the next thing is we're going to do a interval. We're gonna type interval now, current, then time value. Time value is 0, 0. So this one is every 1 seconds. So after this one is application dot on time. Then type interval. Yeah, interval. Yeah. Then we're gonna call our sub again, the timer. right? Simple as that. And I think that's it. We have a basic timer. So let's go to the form, let's go to the start. Let's call timer. Hopefully you can see it. Hopefully it's not so small. And then let's okay, let's do this one first. Hold on for a second. Let's enable false. Yeah, much better like that. Then let's start again. Let's start. All right, it reset now, so let's go back. It's working. Simple as that, I think, right? So the next thing is we're going to create a stop. Yeah. Okay, here. Let's create a stop timer. All right, so application on time. Well, this time was to interval. Then the procedure we're going to call the timer. Then the next thing is the schedule. We're going to set to false. All right. Procedure. Yeah. All right. Then the next thing is a sub reset timer. Okay. So let's copy this one. This equals to, let's see, 60 again, or let's put 5 here. Yeah, let's put 5. Then here in let's put 60. All right, so we have 60. Then let's call stop timer. Then call reset timer. It will reset. All right, so this is the basic, but what we're gonna do here, we're going to create the if condition. If user form is equal to 0, then and if set sub. All right, it will accept the sub. All right, let's go and let's try to run the program. Here we go. Here it's set to 60. Let's start. Okay. Oh, come on. There's an error here. Let's try again. All right. It's down to so yeah, 53. Then if we reset this one, we set this one to 5. So let's see. Yeah, it was set to 5. All right, that's it. It is stopped. Yeah, simple as that. So first thing, let's explain. Let's declare a variable. Global variable here is interval. So we use that interval here in application on time. And here interval equals to now plus time value. This is the tick, seconds plus now. Then in order to decrease is we use the -1 to the current value of the text box. All right, simple as that. So hopefully it helps. Let's try again. Let's reset. Let's put it 5. Then that's it, right? Stop. Then let's see. You can set message box times up, time to subscribe. All right. Start. Set to 5. All right, time's up. Time to subscribe. All right, and I think if you have any question, write a comment down below. All right, this is the code. Easy. Very basic timer. If you want to, I think you can set to 300 for 5 minutes, right? 300 for 5 minutes. That's reset 300. This is a 5 minutes seconds. So I like this. I like this thing. You can do the other thing is like a timer with time. I mean with the time, but I like this way. Yeah, this is seconds, or you can divide that one to 60 to become a minute. So yeah, all right. So yeah, earliest time. Okay, maybe there's an error here. Earliest time. Yeah. Yeah, he stopped. All right. All right. Yeah, that's time. Then later on, a little bit second. Let's try to stop. Yeah, it is stop. Right. Once again, this is Joan, and thank you for watching. And bye for now.